right, so Brittany, tell me a little bit about your hair today and why you decided you wanted to come in for this content day, and give me a little bit about your hair history.
Yeah, so my hair is very thick. And because of that, I usually wear a lot of wigs. And so I rarely wear my hair out. I'm natural. I've been natural over 10 years now, but it's just a hassle to deal with. And so I was excited to come in today because I need my hair done, first of all. And then I just haven't really done a whole lot with it during the winter, wearing it in a bun most of the time.
Okay.
And so I really needed something else, something different. And I wanted to be able to wear it out without it being up under a wig.
Right. So today we're going to do a clip and braid down method, and as you can see, we have some color on her hair right now. We're just covering up the gray so we can have a seamless transition from her hair to the extensions, and I'm excited. Are you excited?
I am very excited.
Tell me a little bit about your hair. Usually I do a lot of sew-ins. I have been transitioning my hair a lot, I've been doing a lot of curly styles lately, trying to get my curl pattern back the way I want it to be.
Okay.
And I just want to try something new.
Okay. So today we're going to do a clip-in install. So what that is we're going to braid your hair down, simple, just like a sew-in, and we're going to clip the clips onto a net. And then you're going to have a little bit of leave out, and then we're going to curl it up, and then you'll be all set and ready to go.
I have, very kinky curly hair. Okay. It swells up very easily. I'm in the gym a lot. I would say when I straighten it, it does thin out some as well.
Okay.
But I've been really interested in wearing my natural hair more and kind of just, wearing my edges out and going with a more, natural flow.
Okay. So, do you switch out styles a lot?
I do. I wear wigs a lot, units, braids. I'm always switching it up.
So since you work out a lot, do styles last for you, or is that why you switch it up?
It depends on what I'm doing. If I'm in a unit, it'll last. Braids last. But I typically stray away from wearing my natural hair because it swells up, and typically what styles I go with don't last because of the gym.
So I'm a gym girly, and so so I rarely wear my hair out because it's super curly, and then obviously just sweat and have to do my hair every day. I'm really low maintenance, so I do a lot of wigs, clip-ins, braids, and try to keep it real low maintenance because going to the gym.
I'm gonna do a sew-in on you today.
Okay, so whatever you decide, I am totally for it.
So, how was your experience today?
Today was amazing. I love my hair. The experience here, y'all's master hands. I walked in here looking like, oh my God, I'm leaving like a goddess. Go sleep did that. I'm that girl today.
All right, Brittany, so tell me about your experience today.
Oh my gosh, it was so amazing. Just everything from the shampoo to you just taking your time and really going through with my real hair. I love how it matches up with the clip-ins. Yes,
flawless,
this is
right?
a great experience. I will say this has definitely built my confidence today. I felt like I came in here looking like a little young girl, but I'm leaving out like a grown woman.
You still got it, right?
So, yes. Go Sleek Yes, you guys have a new customer and you've gained a new client. So
Thank
I
you
love it.
so much. I'm glad you love your hair, and I'm glad you had an amazing experience today.
Thank you.
So do you like your hair? How was your experience today?
I love my hair. My experience was glorious. I enjoyed the professionalism. I enjoyed being greeted when I came in. You did a good thorough wash of my hair. Felt so relaxed. I came in feeling a little but now I feel whole.
And you look gorgeous. You're welcome.
Ready for my birthday.
Yes.
You know, feeling like, Rapunzel.
Looking like Rapunzel.
Yes. But thank you. I really
so
appreciate the
welcome.
experience.
So Kennedy, how was your experience today?
I love my hair. I love my experience from the wash, from the condition, and really caring for my curls. And I loved it from the color and the highlight. I love my hair.